Hey guys, so in this video we are going to be doing two activities. So before we get started, I'm going to just do a little disclosure of what is going on here. So basically about 2 weeks ago or so, a company reached out to me. Warner Brothers Canada has a new movie coming out called The Curse of La Llorona. If you know me, you know I love horror movies. I love being scared. So when they reached out, I was actually pretty excited to be a part of this. So this is a paid partnership, paid promotion with them. They hired me to recreate a special effects hand from the movie, which we will be doing shortly. Another thing, they did send me some free promotional items from the film. So I'm going to do a little unboxing. I thought that would be fun. The items are pretty cool, and just so you can kind of see what I got as well. Let me know in the comments, do you guys plan to see this movie? Have you seen this movie out, like trailers on your TV? Let me know in the comments below. So actually, before we get started, I will play a little clip from the movie. So if you haven't seen it, now you can kind of see it. So we'll do it right now.
Facing an evil. It has no bounds.
Rinsing.
The Curse of La Llorona.
Ooh, it looks creepy. She wants your children. Oh my god, why am I so weird? Okay, so let's get into the free items that were sent over from Warner Brothers Canada, and let's do a little unboxing. They sent everything over in this huge box, and I already opened it up, but I'll show you what I got. Something I did get here, they actually sent over this t-shirt here, so it kind of just says the film on there, when it's coming out, and yeah, I thought it was pretty cute. It's a little bit too big for me, but I'll probably just like roll it up and then stick it into my pants, something like that. So that's a little t-shirt that they sent me. They also sent over this, it almost feels like a windbreaker. It's kind of like a jacket. It's a zip up, and then same thing, they have like the little title on the back. Here's the back of it here. The next item's here. It's kind of like a plastic. Yeah, it's not glass, but it's like a hard plastic. It's like a little poster kind of thing there, and then the rest of the items came in this box here, this nice like little wooded box, and then I'll show you what's in there. It's a little dropper. I think there's just some water in there. Beware of her chilling wail. She will stop at nothing to lure you into the gloom. Seek the shadows and use the dropper of her tears. What? Seek the shadow. Okay, seek the shadows and use the dropper of her tears on the mini poster to reveal her image. Oh, I didn't even notice that until right now. No wonder. So there was this little poster here actually. I was kind of wondering, I was like, oh, why is it so white? I thought you had to hold it up to the light, but now that I just read that, so that's cool. We'll do that in a minute. I guess if I use this and I put it on the poster, we're going to be able to see the image that's behind here. That's actually really neat. Well, I'm glad I read this out to you guys, because I did not read that before. They also gave some sage here. There is another little thing on the back here, and the little sage. It smells good. Coolest thing I thought. There is this little lamp here, the handles go up, and then when you open it, a little light goes on, like, you know, a little lamp you can carry around in the dark, and then when you close it, the light goes off. Okay, cool, so let's do that little poster thing, and then we will get into the special effects hand. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be so cool. Alright guys, so those were the free promotional items that I did receive there from Warner Brothers Canada. Now we are going to go on to our second part of this video, which is going to be the recreation of the special effects creepy hand from the movie. So let's get to it. Okay, so you're going to start off just with your bare hand here. Next, we're going to need some fake nails, so these you can get from anywhere. Just make sure they're either black, beige, or white because we will be painting over them. Next, I'm taking some scar wax. This can be any type of scar wax, and we're going to start to build up some fake skin around those nails just to give it more like a sunken appearance. You'll start to see it form in just a moment there. So I'm just taking my fingers, pressing it into the skin. Also, you can take a little tool. This is a back of a nail clipper, and it's going to help to really press and set the wax into the skin. And when you're finished, it's going to look something like this. Next, we're going to take some liquid latex, again, any brand, and just start to place that over the wax, just so everything really stays in place, and it just builds up that kind of like dead appearance. I'm then going in with some cream paint. I just mixed some white and black together to get gray, and I'm just going to use that for a base over the hand. Next, I'm going in with some black cream paint, and we're going to put that on the tips of our fingers and under the nails to give that dead appearance. Then I'm going in with some eyeshadow, brown and yellow and black, and we're going to start to paint that onto the fingertips and kind of going over your natural creases in your fingers. Next, I'm taking some yellow and brown face paint, and I'm going to put those onto the nails, add the brown around the edges, and then I'm taking some black face paint, and we're going to put those onto the outer edges as well. Again, just to create that dead appearance. Now, an important tip here, take some type of gel, or if you have a top coat, or some type of gloss, even like a lipstick gloss, and just put that right on top of the nail so it gives that shiny, glistening appearance. So it should look something like that, and you can see it just makes it look a little bit more realistic. I next found this little doil here, and even if you had a shirt, you could use that. I placed that around my wrist and just kind of made it look a little bit dark. The last touches here, we want to take a white eyeshadow and just start to follow your natural kind of like veins in your hand, so it looks like they're gonna kind of pop out, and it just creates more of an illusion. And that is it. There is your creepy special effects hand from La Llorona, and you are ready to go scare anyone in your family. Haha. Guys, so this is the final hand here recreated from the movie. So you could definitely go ahead and duplicate your other hand. Then you could do a full look with this if you wanted, or you could just do your other hand or just one hand, and you could go maybe scare your mom, your dad, your brother, your sister, who knows. It's a creepy little hand here. I think it turned out really cute, really cool. I love it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. I'll always get back to your comments. If there's something you want to see me recreate, let me know. Alright guys, thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!